Although all semiconductor manufacturers produce integrated circuits based on silicon, the technologies they use differ significantly in manufacturing processes, chip architecture, materials, and target applications. These technological differences determine the performance, power efficiency, cost, and reliability of modern microchips. One of the most important distinctions is the semiconductor process node, commonly measured in nanometers. Leading manufacturers such as TSMC, Samsung Electronics, and Intel now produce chips using technologies ranging from 3 nanometers to 2 nanometers. Smaller process nodes generally provide higher computing performance, lower power consumption, and greater transistor density. However, they are considerably more difficult and expensive to manufacture. Another major difference lies in transistor architecture. Earlier generations of chips relied on FinFET technology, which improved transistor control and reduced electrical leakage. Today, the industry is transitioning to gate-all-around transistor technology. Samsung was the first major manufacturer to introduce GAA into mass production, while TSMC and Intel are implementing similar architectures. GAA transistors offer better electrical efficiency, higher performance, and lower energy consumption than FinFET designs. Manufacturers also differ in the types of semiconductors they produce. TSMC operates primarily as a contract manufacturer, fabricating advanced processors designed by companies like Apple, NVIDIA, AMD, and Qualcomm. Samsung combines contract manufacturing with the production of its own memory chips and mobile processors. Intel designs and manufactures its own CPUs, while increasingly offering foundry services to external customers. Memory technology represents another area of specialization. Samsung and SK Hynix dominate production of DRAM and NAND, flash memory, while SK Hynix leads in high-bandwidth memory for AI accelerators. Micron Technology produces advanced memory solutions focused on high-performance computing, automotive systems, and enterprise storage. The materials used in semiconductor production vary according to application. While silicon remains dominant for digital processors, manufacturers increasingly employ silicon carbide and gallium nitride for power electronics. These materials withstand higher voltages and temperatures, making them ideal for electric vehicles, renewable energy, and industrial equipment. Advanced manufacturing also depends on extreme ultraviolet, EUV, lithography, a technology that uses extremely short wavelength light to print microscopic circuit patterns onto silicon wafers. EUV enables the production of the smallest and most complex chips with greater precision and fewer manufacturing steps. Companies producing the most advanced processors rely heavily on this technology to achieve higher transistor density and improved energy efficiency. Another rapidly evolving field is advanced chip packaging, assembling several smaller chips into a single package. AMD pioneered chiplet-based CPU designs, while Intel uses Foveros 3D stacking and EMIB technologies. TSMC developed advanced packaging platforms like CoWoS, widely used in NVIDIA's AI processors. These approaches improve manufacturing yield, reduce costs, and allow greater flexibility in chip design. Artificial intelligence has become a major driver of semiconductor innovation. NVIDIA focuses on GPUs optimized for AI training and inference, while Google develops TPUs for machine learning workloads. Apple designs custom processors that integrate dedicated neural processing units for on-device AI, emphasizing energy efficiency and privacy. Ultimately, manufacturers compete through innovations in transistor architecture, packaging technologies, materials science, memory design, and AI acceleration. As demand for artificial intelligence, cloud computing, autonomous vehicles, and advanced consumer electronics continues to grow, these technological differences will increasingly determine which companies lead the next generation of semiconductor innovation and industry leadership.